Okay guys, completely forgot about zooming in before I signed off on the last video. So I'm going to do that quickly. No point in zooming in too close to some of these spots because, well, there are no hard edges or anything. They're just brush strokes and you can see them without me zooming in too much. Yeah, maybe I should a little bit. Again, this light in the room is a little too strong. But you know, we have this mashed together sky, and although it has enough definition, when you come to these branches, the meaning of definition is somewhat changed. Because now we're going from a lot of this outlining that is almost as dark as I can make it, to some values that are almost as light as I can make them. And you can see with some strokes, a lot of the tooth of the canvas is showing through. But I'm not just taking my brush and going pat, 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 pat. Stroke, 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 stroke. They're fairly thoughtful. They're fairly intentional. And they're pretty direct. And very important. Sorry I'm so jerky here. I'm going to tighten up my control on the camera a little bit. Okay. And then we'll come in a little closer. We get closer to the bottom end of the sky. Those distant hills. All right. You can certainly see different different colors. Each stroke is a little bit of a different color. And even within a stroke, you can have different colors. It's very important to allow that to happen. Otherwise the painting will go quite flat. See? Even a bit of light on one side, dark on the other. To some degree. I don't get too worried about it, but it's worth the effort. Now you're you're seeing a lot of glare from the light on the left. Okay. And the mass of rock. That mass of rock. More blue-gray there. And as we go down to the left, more gray-blue. And yeah, I'm really happy with the decision to lay in that little stump, that little chunk, that visual stop that keeps your eye from running down off to the left of the painting. I should have done this on the last video, but I didn't. So, there it is. See you soon, guys.